Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today's video is going to be about colored contacts. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about the company that I am talking about and about colored contacts, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you will see that for my last shoot, I actually wore colored contacts. And the colored contacts that I wore are from the company TTDEYE. And this is the packaging that it came in, but I'm going to get to that later. I'm quickly going to mention my background, quick background and history with contacts. I actually used to wear contacts a lot when I was like 14 or so. In high school, when I first started high school, people actually thought that those were my real colored eyes. I used to wear Hazel, that was my favorite, and then I also wore blue. And then I don't know if you guys have been following me for a long time, but I was wearing colored contacts before for a couple of pictures, like maybe a year or two ago. And now they've made their way back to me through TTDEYE. So I got 3 colors with TTDEYE. I got a gray color, a hazel color, and then a brown color. The brown color, it wasn't smart for me to get because I already have brown eyes, but I assumed that it was gonna give me like a, I don't know, like a lighter eye color, but in fact it was like my actual eye color. My actual eye color is pretty light brown. It's not dark brown at all. So let's get right on to the company. So this is the packaging that it came in. I cannot remember if it came in another box or it came, no, I'm pretty sure it came in another box. But this is the actual packaging, and I thought the packaging was so girly, so cute. Also, in the back of the box, it has a bunch of instructions, and I didn't actually read any of this because I already know how to use contact lenses, and yeah, I didn't even know until I actually looked all around the box now with you guys. So what I like is that the packaging is super cute. Unfortunately, I did already use them, which could be fortunate but unfortunate. If you guys don't know, this is how contacts usually come. This one lens would come in here, and then the other one in another thing just like this. And then these things here were also in like a holographic little box. If I find the picture somewhere online, then I will pop it up somewhere here on the screen. But it came in that little holographic box, so I got 3 of those since I got 3 lenses. And I thought that was like super girly and cute. And then on the side of it, you do get these little kits, if you will. So these come with, so I'm just gonna use this one. These are my gray lenses. They don't come with the label and stuff, but I labeled them for myself. These come with your case. So this is a really cute case. It's right and left, so you guys can know. You can use prescribed or your prescription on contact lenses. I personally don't wear glasses, so I didn't need prescription. So these are just for fashion and beauty and fun and creativity. So these are not prescribed, so I cannot speak on how they work for prescribed contact lenses. I can only speak for if you want to change your eye color for fun, then these are pretty dope. They also come with these little tweezer things and this little thing that I assume is to help you move the lens around, but I'm not sure. I didn't use any of these things because I'm pretty good with knowing how to put them on without any of these applicators. But a cool thing is that it does come with their own cases. I remember getting contact lenses in the past, even from companies, and they don't come with the case or anything, and then you have to go out and get a case, which is not a big deal. Usually they'll have, drugstores have sections for contact lenses, cases, and solution, which takes me to my next point, is that you do have to buy your own solution. If you guys are expert contact lens users, then you guys might use another one, but I personally just use this one. Is Opti-Free Replenish, and it has enhanced comfort, and it is, I think the brand is called Alcon. ALCON, and this you can get at the drugstore. This is just the one that I've used since I first started wearing contact lenses, so I always go back to this one. Never had a problem with it at all. Inside of the box, they also sent me like cute little tattoos and glitter, and I just think it's super dope. And they also send me a hand mirror, which I have not opened yet. All I was concerned on doing was using the contact lenses, as you can see. But my impression and overall review of these contacts is that they're actually very, very comfortable. Usually when it comes to contact lenses, the first time using it, maybe even the second time using it, is just like, oh, it feels a little uncomfortable because there's something in your eye. Like, it's kind of weird. And I've always had like a weird where I could see blurry when I'm wearing contact lenses. But with these, I had an entire shoot. Like, it was like a 6-7 hour shoot, and I was actually pretty comfortable. It did not bother me. My eyes got a little bit dry, but that's to be expected with contact lenses. As far as me, my eyes get dry with contact lenses. You just need some eye drops or something like that and you should be good. But these are actually very, very comfortable. So, and I'm not just saying that because this video is sponsored or anything like that. This is entirely my opinion. These contact lenses are actually very, very comfortable and they look super dope. I definitely recommend taking a look and trying it out. Maybe try out one pair, and then if you like them, they have a wide variety of different color contacts that you can get from them. They have these natural ones, and I think they even have some like Halloween type crazy ones. So if you guys are into contact lenses, then I'd recommend checking out their site and seeing which ones that you'd like. I'm gonna try the gray ones on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks on video. So I will be right back and you guys will see me with a different eye color. Okay, so now that we're super close, you guys can see how these fit me. Sorry about the construction going on. They just decided to do this now. But anyways, you guys can see these are the gray polar lights contact lenses, and I think those are the names on, that is the name on the actual website as well. These fit super comfortable. My eyes are a little bit red. My eyes are super sensitive, so that's why when I say that these work for me, they actually work for me. But my eyes are super sensitive, so when I put the contact lenses in, I tear up a lot. My eyes get a little bit red. These are what the gray ones look like. So I'm gonna try on the Hazel ones so you guys can see what those look like, and you guys let me know which ones are your favorites. I'm not gonna try on the brown ones because these are the brown ones right here. So this is one of them here, and the brown one, as I said, is literally like my eye color, but these are what the gray ones look like. I'm gonna go try on the Hazel ones and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and these are the Hazel contacts. These are so natural and I really, really, really love them. I actually am leaning towards the gray contacts a little bit more because I feel like, I don't know, they just make me look completely different. These are not like a huge difference, and these are also like more natural, so it's not like a huge difference. And I really love and enjoy switching up my look, like for real, not like just a slight change or anything. So I really do like these though. These are really, really natural. If you guys want something natural, these Hazel ones are really like amazing, as you can see. But anyways, that was my review on TTDEYE contact lenses. Let me know if you guys try them out. Their website and everything will be in the description box below. Let me know if you guys try these same colors. Send me pictures on Instagram or something. Like, I want to see how you guys look with these. If you guys have any questions or concerns about contact lenses, I can help to the best of my ability, but let me know in the contacts. Let me know in the comments down below. Give me your thoughts. Are you team Hazel or team gray? Let me know. So if you guys want more videos like this, then let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.